Welcome to the Law Office of Frank Bruno. I am Frank Bruno. Shake it up today, right? The week in review. Haven't done this in a while. What happened at the law office this week? So I'll give you some small review, an overview. The week didn't seem that long, but this video is not starting out so well. Had a very good week. Did a number of client consultations over the phone. That's become the routine, handling phone calls for wills and trusts and issues related to seniors, guardianships, estates. Handled a number of those calls this week. I had depositions this week. I had deposed petitioners in the submission of a will for probate, and I represent a litigant that's looking to really get to the bottom of whether or not the propounded will for probate was done without undue duress, actually undue influence or duress. And we have a reasonable belief that the will presented for probate was not done under the best circumstances. So consults, the deposition. I had a real estate transaction that did not go through, so I had to return a down payment to a client. Got back a contract of sale for clients that are purchasing property. And I'll leave on this note, this was another good event. We received an order from the surrogate ejecting a person from a property. In a nutshell, what happened was a will was put forth for probate. The executor received letters, and then one of the distributees, the person entitled to receive money that was in the property, they were supposed to vacate, and they did not vacate. They were, to say they were unreasonable and frustrated the process would be an understatement, and we had to process an ejectment in surrogate's court, and we received the decision, and now we have to get a decree. Right? So I mixed in enough lawyer words to let you know about the process. We secured that win for the client, so that felt good. If you have a situation that you'd like to speak about, just trying to help, trying to resolve problems, right? Saving the universe, one problem at a time. Have a great weekend.